Hello everybody, today we're back with the West Bend microwave, and I have 6 items here that we're going to be microwaving. You can look across them if you want. We have a light bulb that I took out of a microwave, some faulty Alligator clips, one of these freaking calculators I've destroyed like 12 of, maybe even 15, I don't know. Empty thing of gel deodorant, and this decoration thing. They're all going to be having microwaves pass through them. So let's turn off the lights and see how it goes. Thinking we should start with the calculator. Now it's really humid in here, you might not be able to see it a lot, but I'll try. You can't see that, right? No, you absolutely cannot. It's all gross. Let's just put it in there for a minute. Can't even see what's happening because of the glare. Let me try and find something to cover that up. I'll be right back. Trying this again. You can't really even see in there. Oh my god. That is fucking awful. Can't even see in there. You plug in this fan. God damn! Oh my god, it's hot. Look at the screen. All the buttons and shit. God, ew. Oh, it leaked on the back right there. Well, that's that. Next up, let's do this Gillette. Try and get it to smell better in here. Smoking up. It actually does smell good because it's deodorant. I'd expect it to. Oh, I think it fell. And it's done cooking. Good God. Oh my God. That's fucking hilarious. Next up, we're gonna do this little decoration thing. It's like one of those solar paneled ones. There would be a solar thing like right here if my hand doesn't get in the way. Like that little rectangle, that's where a sunlight thing would be, a solar panel. And then it would move, but it's broken, so this is what we do to broken stuff. It's not doing anything. I only put it in there for 30 seconds because I didn't really expect it to do anything. Yeah, nothing happened. It got a bit warm. Didn't melt, that's just a broken part. We're just gonna move on. I don't think this is gonna be very good, but we're gonna try it anyway. It's a sticky LED light. What the hell is the way door? You peel this off and then it can stick to things. It's actually, let's stick it to the back. There we go. And there's no batteries in it because I don't have the right batteries for it. 1 minute. It arced a little bit, getting it to light up. It's not doing anything now. No, it's not humid enough in here for that to happen. Oh, it's actually turning on. It's working! This is how you get a LED light to turn on without a power source. You just throw it in the microwave. Look, it's actually staying on. Oh, God. Oh, it's that fucking smell. Oh my God. Next up, some alligator clips. 30 seconds. If it starts arcing, I'm gonna... Oh God. It's on fire. It's definitely on fire. It's that cheap PVC plastic that it uses as insulator. Bro, that shit got annihilated. God damn. Alright, over the range microwave oven light bulb that I completely forgot to destroy in the other GE microwave, so 30 seconds. Oh shit, it's actually lighting up. That's pretty cool. I don't think it's a fluorescent light, but... Oh, it fell over. Oh my God, that's the second time that's fucking happened. Calculator, I've just short 1 million of already. Oh my God, look at how bad it got. There we go. The end of that. Now it's up for the light. That didn't last. Didn't last at all, the sticky bit. Unbranded, no model. And then this thing, I'm sure, is just amazing quality. Yup. It literally had this little piece of copper in it. I'm honestly surprised it did nothing. Well, that's the end of that. thing we're gonna microwave is this DVD of Mulan because it's all scratched up. Let's turn the lights out. And let's make sure the camera is actually centered. And yeah, it fell. Yep, it did, it fell. This is how you burn a CD to your computer. It's done. Ooh. Smoky. It's even better than I imagined it would have been. I don't know if you can see that, but it's all fucked up. Next up is this little remote to a stand fan that's broken. Did it fall? Oh no, it didn't. Oh, it's already arcing up. Add 30 seconds. It's on fire. It's definitely on fire. It's going out, it's going out. Oh, God. Good thing I brought water. Goodness gracious. It's melted. God damn. Next item is this piece of that coffee maker I destroyed a couple episodes back, so let's see if that does anything cool. Like I said before, I'm done with this microwave, so I need it to die. It's not doing anything. Good God. Next thing, this little circuit board. Next up are some keycaps. And it's not doing anything. It's just boiling the water. Actually, no, I'm probably gonna record. I actually have one more plan with this microwave before I'm fully done with it. I'm going to, that actually smells kind of nice, what the hell? I'm actually going to microwave some light bulbs, and then after that, I'm going to take out the magnetron if it still works, and then just destroy the rest of the microwave oven. So that's the end of the microwave marathon. Thank you for watching.